Hello everyone, my name is Nakul Nitesh. This is a group presentation by group number 14. This coursework is for the module 7043 SSL Organization and Strategy. We are a group of 5 people named Faisal Nazir, Lovepreet, Nakul Nitesh, Mamoon Aifat, Sandeep. On the next slide in this presentation, we are going to evaluate DP World through following strategic frameworks. As we have mentioned few frameworks below. First, strategic position. We have used pestle analysis and 4 to 5 forces. Second, resource-based analysis. We have used Vrio framework. Third, corporate analysis. We have used ends of matrix. Fourth, business strategy. We have used Porter's generic strategies. Fifth, business strategy analysis. We have used Bowman strategic clock. Now, my friend Faisal will continue.
I'm going to introduce a DP World background. So DP World is a multinational company based in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, that specializes in the logistic port terminal operation, maritime services, and the free trade zones. The company was formed in 2005 by the merger of Dubai Ports Authority and the Dubai Ports International Rep. And its revenue of 4.9 billion in the 6 months of uh, to June 30, 2021, and 21.3% increase from the same period. DP World handles 70 million container annually across in 82 marine and the inland terminal, accounting for 10% of global container traffic. The company has a presence in over 75 countries across the world, and the DP World has a certified as a partner in the First Trade Partnership Against Terrorism TPAT initiated by US Custom and the Border Protection. The company has also achieved ISO 28000 supply chain security certification and is rolling out the standard to all its terminal. So the next please.
Now I'm going to shed light on threats and opportunities of company DP World according to the pestle analysis. We did pestle analysis to evaluate the macroeconomic factors that could affect the DP World. First of all, the political factor. The main threat of according to the political factor is Jebel Ali port tension in UAE, and there are two major benefits that benefits in EU trade agreements and local regulatory framework requirements in India. If I talk about the economic factor, then there are the so many drawbacks for DP World that reduction trade volumes impacting revenue, crude price peaked in June 2022, inflation in euro area in August 2023, headline 5.3%, core 5.2%. Operational costs, fluctuations, operational scalability. Then the another point is the social factor. Then social factors are affecting the people in a great manner, like Indian middle class growing at 6.3% from last 30 years. Estimated e-commerce sale in 2023 is $5.8 trillion. Then now I'm moving to the technological factor. Technological factors also affecting DP World in a good manner, like box-based storage, cargos, TOS plus operations and planning system. And it invested $4 billion in technology since 2016. Now I'm going to analyze the legal factors. Legal factors also affected the DP World uh, in an advantageous way, like compliance with the International Maritime Organization law. And if I talk about the another one, the main factor for the DP World is ecological factor. That Jebel Ali Terminal Solar Power Project, Sembrado Vida program at Pasoria, El Moro, Puna Island. At last, we can conclude that broader strategic position of DP World is significantly affected by the pestle factors. Thank you.
Now I am going to tell you about Porter's 5 forces to analyze competitive forces with logistics industry. First, rivalry among existing competitors. First, intensity of competition. The logistics industry faces intense competition from major players like PSA International and APA terminals. This results in aggressive strategies, including price wars. primarily by Chinese and Korean logistics companies. Second, service differentiation. Companies are focusing on automating power operations and developing smart logistics solutions to differentiate their services and gain a competitive edge. Second, threat of new entrants, moderate to low, high capital requirements. The logistics industry requires significant capital investment, strong brand reputation. Established players have a strong brand reputation, having grown 38% faster than the average sector, making it difficult for new entrants to compete. Third, economics of scale and regulatory hurdles. Large firms benefit from economies of scale and regulatory hurdles such as oppositions in regions like US add to the challenge for new entrants. Third, supply power, which is always moderate. Dependence on specialized equipment. The industry relies heavily on specialized equipment like cranes, container handling systems, and IT solutions, which can increase supply power. Fuel supplies and contracts. Logistic firms are dependent on fuel suppliers and have contracts with major suppliers like PMC, which can influence pricing and supply terms. Fourth, buyer power, which is high. Large customers. The industry serves a wide range of large customers. Second, low switching costs. Customers face low switching costs and are highly price sensitive. Fifth, threat of substitutes, which is always moderate. Alternative transport modes. Alternative transports such as air and rail transport pose a moderate threat as a substitute for certain logistic services. Technological advancements. Investments in smart logistics and digital platforms can enhance efficiency, reduce the attractiveness of substitutes. Now, the overall summary. The overall attractiveness of the logistics industry, according to Porter's five forces, is moderate to high. DP World strategies effectively to navigate challenges and capitalize on opportunities in the global logistics industry. Now, my friend Fazil will continue.
Now I'm going to introduce a DPO resource and capability. So if we talk about the resources, it's a global network of ports and terminal, and the second one is financial strength, capital expenditure of 1.4 billion in 2022, and the third one advanced technology and equipment, for example, box-based storage, and the fourth one is a brand reputation and the customer relationship. If you talk about the capabilities, so operation efficiency through cargo operation and the planning system and innovation and technology adoption with a 4 billion investment in technology since 2016 in integrated logistics services including port operation and the inland operation sustainability initiatives such as the Jebel Ali terminal solar power project and the Simbrano Vida program. So, in the summary, DPV resource and the capability are classified into two categories: is threshold resource and the dynamic capability. So, if you talk about the threshold resources, these are the basic resources required to the operate in the industry, such as the global network of a port and the terminal. So, in dynamic capability, these are the capabilities that enable DP world to adapt, innovate it and differentiate itself from competitors such as operational efficiency, innovation, and technology adoption and sustainability. So the next.
So, thank you, Faisal. So now I'm going to explain about DP World under VRIO framework. So VRIO stands for Valuable, Rare, Immutable, and Organized Framework. So we have here we have SEA, which is sustained competitive advantage, and TCA, temporary competitive advantage. The global network of port and terminals, financial strength, advantage technology and equipment, brand reputation and customer relationship, operational efficiency, innovation and technology adoption, and sustainability initiatives all comes under sustained competitive advantage. So there is another thing called TCA, which is a temporary competitive advantage. Under temporary competitive advantage, we have standard port infrastructure, basic logistic service, and non-proprietary technology, human resources of general workforce. So uh, next uh, we are going to discuss about awareness of matrix of DP world. So there are four things in awareness of matrix, which are market penetration and market development, product development, and diversification. So in market penetration, there is enhancing operational efficiency. DP world model shift program, optimizing and expansion of existing ports and services. So, for example, cargo steers plus operations and planning systems. Uh, so, customer loyalty program is old logistics passport, which allows non-tariff trade, first tracking cargo movement. So, second, we have market development, which is a geographical expansion, operates in 70 countries and 90 ports. So, market development is also targeting new customer segments and strategic alliance and partnerships. So, third, we have product development, which is integrated supply chain solutions, distribution from port to final delivery through acquisition of PNO ferries and PNO ferry master. And comes here we come to diversification, which is vertical integration, automotive, healthcare, perishables, technology, inland transportation, warehousing, distribution from port to final delivery through acquisition of PNO ferries and PNO ferry masters. So, uh, current stand of ANS of matrix is prominently in all four quadrants. AN of matrix do not consider the dynamic nature of logistics and port industry. So next, my friend will continue.
So we evaluated business strategies for DP World by using the Porter generic strategies. It tells the competitive position of strategic approach, which includes cost leadership, differentiation, and focus, which can be either cost focus or differentiation focus. For cost leadership, there is cost-driven load due to economies of scale achieved by global network of ports and terminals in 75 countries and 90 terminals. Vertical integration, which is expansion into logistic and supply chain distribution from port to final delivery through acquisition of P and O ferries and P and O ferry masters. Operational excellence through continuous investment in automation and advanced technology, 4 billion investment in technology since 2016. DP World also excel in differentiation through innovation solutions, sustainability initiatives, and customer services. DP World strategies are also focused in the industries and location. They are specific to industry like logistic. They include the services for the automotive, logistic, healthcare logistic, perishable, and technology logistic. In case of location, they are more focused to the emerging markets. Hence, it is concluded that DP World follow a combination of cost leadership and differentiation strategy. Hence, it's stuck in the middle and still doing well. Therefore, we consider the Bauman's strategic clock to understand the DP World business strategy, which consists of 8 positions. In case of Bauman's strategic clock, DP World position itself in the position 3, which is hybrid, moderate price to high value, partially fit, cost effective, high value through efficient operation, and position 4, differentiation, which offering high value through unique feature, innovation, superior services, is quality, and the position 5, which is focus differentiation. We concluded that the bonus strategic law captures the DP World strategy more effectively by providing the blend of hybrid differentiation, focus differentiation, and positioning themselves in high value, innovative, and customer centric. This strategy position allowed DP World to maintain a competitive edge, cater the diverse customers' need, and capitalize on emerging opportunities in the market. Thank you. Done with recommendations.
Now I'm going to analyze some recommendations which we made after analyzing the whole criteria of DP World. First of all, the leverage advanced technology, artificial intelligence and machine learning, blockchain technology, Internet of Things. These things should be introduced by the DP Bulb. And the second of most, expand and diversify service offerings, integrated supply chain solutions, e-commerce, logistics, customized industry solutions. Number three is enhance sustainability initiatives. They have to introduce some green technologies, sustainable practices, carbon neutrality goals, and at last, strengthen strategic partnerships with alliances. They have to cope up with their competitors and there are another co-members like global trade networks, public-private partnerships, collaborative innovations. Thank you.
For our presentation. Thank you for joining us.